Hey everyone, this is Cody from Spry Life Medical, and today we're going to be doing an unboxing for the Caire Freestyle Comfort. First off, we're going to open the box and show you what comes inside the Caire Freestyle Comfort. First things first is the machine. This package has both batteries. So your standard battery, as well as another standard battery. The custom carry case. Your AC power supply. Another attachment for the AC power supply. Of course, your DC power supply, so you can charge it in the car. Your cannula. And the user manual. So now that we have everything laid out, I'm going to show you how to set up the Caire Freestyle Comfort for your first time use. First things first is we need to slide the battery onto the bottom of the machine. After that, grab the carrying case and you will put it on from the bottom. Zipper it up. Last thing is the cannula, which attaches right here. You are all set and good to go. Now that we have the battery attached to the bottom of the machine, to turn it on, you just press the power button once. The machine will turn on. It also has a plus button and a minus button to select your flow setting. So we started off on 2. If we need to move up to 3, we can. 4, it goes up to 5, or the whole way down to 1. And to power it off, you just click the power button again. Alright, and to go over the Caire Freestyle Comfort, it does only weigh 4.8 pounds. It does have a liter flow setting of 1 up to 5, so if you're on a setting of 2, you can move it up if you do need to. On the standard battery, it will last on a setting of 2, 4 hours away from the car or the wall charger. And if you would like to get the extended battery, that will double the life, giving you 8 hours away from that car and wall charger. Nice thing about the Caire Freestyle Comfort is it does have an ergonomical design. You can wear it around your waist just like this with the custom carry case. It's a very, very small machine. Also very reliable. It is the most reliable unit on the market and was selected by our US military by Caire. If you do want to learn more about the Caire Freestyle Comfort and other machines that are just like it, make sure you hit the subscribe button below and tap the bell icon to receive notifications so you can know when we upload a new video. If you are interested in more information about the Caire Freestyle Comfort, you can go to our website, sprylife.com, or the number below, give a call, and you can speak with a respiratory specialist right over the phone to help you out with information.